keto vibe, and I think you'll like it. My nails, right? Hey guys, BusyMami here, and today we're gonna go to Starbucks and get ourselves a keto drink.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I please have a venti iced coffee with cream
Okay.
and 2 pumps of skinny vanilla?
Did you not want the classic in there then?
Yeah, no classic.
Okay.
And then can I have that blended?
Anything else?
Yes. And then can I have a venti London fog? That's not for me.
Anything else?
That's it.
It's gonna be $8.92. We'll see you at the window.
Thank you. Okay. So I know skinny vanilla syrup sometimes knocks people out of ketosis. It doesn't work that way for me. It actually works really well for me. I like it. And sometimes I just need it. So like today I've had a very semi-stressful day. I don't want to always say I'm having a stressful day, but a semi-stressful day, and so I wanted to get something sweet but not something that's gonna kill my keto vibe. So I decided to come to Starbucks, get a venti iced coffee, get it blended. Now there is something cool that you can do too if you don't want to get the skinny syrup. So another thing that I do is I'll get an iced coffee with cream, and then I'll add stevia. I'll have them blend it, because when you blend it, even just iced coffee with no cream blended is actually really good. But if you get it blended, it's really delicious, and I think you'll like it. What I would do if I were you is one of 2 things. Get a iced coffee. My nails, right? Okay, no, sorry. An iced coffee with skinny vanilla and heavy cream. Get it blended to make you feel like you're having a frap. Or get an iced coffee, get it blended with heavy cream, and then add some liquid stevia or your favorite sweetener, or drink it just like that. I mean, I kind of am used to drinking it that way, but I wanted something sweet today, so went with the skinny vanilla syrup because I like it. And it's actually really good. There's actually some like hack keto drinks for Mexiketo for like an horchata, which I don't know if you've ever had that, but it's like a rice milk drink. And so there's a few things you can do to get that, and I haven't done it mostly because I don't like horchata. Don't come at me, I'm sorry. All right, so I'm gonna take a quick break here because I have to pay, and then I'll come back and I'll taste it and let you know what it's like. Not that it matters, because for you it's a cut. So here it is. Delicious. And it kind of tastes like a milkshake, which is like amazing, like an iced coffee milkshake. So that being said, let me know what your favorite Starbucks drink is and what your favorite drink to get on the go is. And also, as always, please like, subscribe, and comment, and let's do more videos like this. Love y'all. See you next time. Rig up my car so that you guys can see this video without my arm holding the phone up. But anyway,